audience. Today, me and my team gather here to discuss on a very important topic, examination, strategies, stress and stress management techniques. So, I have with me Aditi Pandey, Nishita Basnet, Bhumika Joshi, Renuka Tiwari and myself, Harshita Tripathi. So, I would like to start PPC by asking my first question. Bhumika, what according to you is examination?
I feel like examination is the major challenge or component in a student's life, as it acts like a ladder and provides the steps to look forward to achieve the goal in life.
But I think that examinations are an opportunities for students so that they can showcase their efforts and their knowledge in that particular subject.
In my opinion, examinations are an important element of our whole education process, as examination helps in our self-assessment by testing our knowledge and helping us analyze our mistakes so that we can improve the next time.
In short, examination are that systematic mechanism that help us to test our academic potential. But I feel like one should be eager to learn with full hard work and full determination, as have faith in yourself because you possess the quality.
I feel that it is a curiosity gene that makes us more eager to learn about new things.
But in the alternative, I think some people merely do it for scoring and not for attaining knowledge.
But if you do it for attaining knowledge, then it is going to be your motivation forever. But if you are just there for the scoring, it is just secondary and it is not going to be beneficial for long run.
Continuous acquiring of knowledge will automatically will lead you to good marks. I feel like I agree with both of you.
Rectification analysis. What are your strategies for examinations?
Strategies vary from person to person. Some people use scientifically proven techniques like the active recall technique, Femine technique to learn and recall, which prove to be helpful for them. I feel like results and expectation helps to know.
But I guess that strategies is like putting that every note in your paper and pasting it in front of your study table so that you can recall.
See, it differs from person to person, but one thing is that if we study with adequate breaks, then we are able to learn more properly in short time.
I think that interest is main thing. Interest should be there so that we can put more efforts in that subject and learn more specifically.
Yes, when we are, I agree with you, when we are interested, then it is not that we have to push ourselves to do that. It is like automatically we are okay in working hard for that.
What do you think one can do to develop their interest in certain subjects?
See, it is important to analyze your interest and ability, that what you are interested in doing and what you are actually good in doing.
I guess flow is something that must be there.
And also we should enjoy our small achievements. And consistency is another major component that might help develop, because you get better with practice. So it can help you develop interest in certain subjects.
I agree with Nishita. Practice makes magic.
And one more thing that I feel is that in today's generation, procrastination is a big problem.
Totally. Procrastinating subjects, procrastinating are things that need to be done is a major problem that students face these days.
What are the stresses that the youth is facing these days?
Basically, I feel like attending a long hours of school, then going to coaching and coming late back home stresses the children, and it just creates the situation like lesser the time and more the sleep. I feel like stress is that overwhelming feeling of missing out and failing in achieving purpose.
See, I guess that stress is in two ways. Once when you haven't prepared well, and once when you are all prepared but still you are stressed. Now, in the second category, it is because of lack of confidence. But I feel that if you are well prepared, then stress is not a big concern for you.
Being a decent student, stress from this course doesn't take.
So, what are the strategies and the techniques you follow to manage your stress?
Actually stress was not